Okay, guys. So we're here on this driveway flower bed. Um, it is filled with weeds and overgrown grasses and things like that. We're gonna clean it up and plant some violas. I have more plants to come in here, but I'm not gonna be putting them down today because we're supposed to get really low this week in the 30s. So some plants will not really like that. So I rather wait until we're done on those. The last, I think, is Wednesday and Thursday. Once we're past that, I will go ahead and put in the rest of the plants. But for today, we're gonna clean it up and plant the violas. They are very hardy. They will grow in the snow and everything. So um, I'm not afraid of them getting damaged. If any flowers get damaged, they put out flowers very quickly too. So it will be a quick turnaround. All right, let's get started. I do not like to remove every single leaf or every single organic matter that is laid down, just for a matter of that will become compost, right? It's just you grab your leaves and you put in your compost pile. So why am I actively trying to remove that from the soil itself? It doesn't make sense in my mind. So what I do is I will remove the leaves around any crown of any plants because I know that that can cause some rot from water not being able to evaporate and things like that. So I will remove the leaves around the plant itself, but on the clear area, I'm not gonna, it's almost like a leaf mulch. So I will leave as much as I can. I don't pick up, leaves in the fall and things like that. I just, if I need to rake them, I'll rake them to an area where I can leave them to compost naturally, and I will just mulch it over because I do like that clean look, which I think the leaves do not give you that clean look. But I'm just gonna let them decompose naturally. So I just put mulch on top or compost on top and then plant. Of course, when you have things like here, not the grasses because they are greening up again, but I had some sage coming up and some catmint coming up. So those I will snap and put on my compost pile. But anything that is flat, that is not going to get on my way, I will leave it there. Okay. So I have some violas here. What I like to do is just tear the side of the container and then get them out gently. I'm not adding biotone to this bed because it's gonna be an annuals bed, so I don't really feel like they need the biotone. Biotone is for the root system. These are not gonna be here for long at all to need help to developing a more robust root system. So Have more, but I have the other half of this to fill. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean out the other half, fill that one up, and then I have one extra flat that I will put in between if I see that it needs some extras. But again, this is not the final result. I'm going to be adding some other plants here, um, which I just can't do it right this second. All right. This is the final result of this planter with the violas. Again, we're waiting on more plants, probably by next week.